This is Birdsong. Quick view of the porch, but we'll return here later. And the beds at the front. And now going round to the side. Tropical gardens. Nice lemon tree. And just making our way down to the lake. Just ahead you can see the chairs where we sit for cocktail hour, and other times of course. Quite a breeze as we get down here. And over there is towards the golf course. Now we make our way back to the back garden. Just a quick look over to the left. And the pool from the back. Elephant's ears. And some things we've planted, hopefully to come up next year. We'll just have a quick look at the pool when we're here. Barbecue. Pool with cover on it, unfortunately. And, well, we can just check the back patio. Now we'll make our way around the side again and towards the front. You hear the water heater in the background there. No mangoes on our mango tree as yet, and we're making our way around the front. More elephant ears here, and the gardens on this side. Coming up to that side of the porch, round, and that side, and that more or less is Birdsong in 5 minutes.